95 Nissan with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. It's got a valve latch ticket knocking noise. Trying to get rid of it.
So it's as simple as this. You twist the cap off, take the oil fill off, squirt 1 mil into that, and then 4 mils into there. Yeah, you can turn it off. We'll restart it here in just a second. All right, guys. I think we might have healed it in about 15 seconds. I don't hear it anymore.
Say 2 seconds.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
I know she did.
Yeah. Hey, I don't hear it at all. Put your hands down there.
What I do hear is not it no more.
Yeah, it's not it.
Those running.
Yeah, now you can hear the other stuff. So it's about 5 seconds.
Very faint.
Yep, yeah, it's good. I mean, if it went away in 5 seconds, it'll go completely away. But just by the time you drive home. Yeah, I can't hear it from here. I can't hear it.
Very little.
Yeah, it'll
Not as much as when I was over here.
right? I mean, you know, you just told me that with the Rotella stuff. You impressed with that? You just told me with the Rotella stuff. Say that again. You had it like 600 miles or something?
Yeah, I think it's been 67.
Okay.
It's been a long one. I just changed
Yeah.
it. 763.
Okay. How many miles you put on with this with Tribo-MAX before you saw a difference? Yeah, that's what we put in there. How many miles did you? 2 seconds. Yeah, 0 miles. Smooth as butter. You think that's worth $30?
I don't see why you.
That's an easy sell. You think you could sell that to some people? You could help a ton of people, man, you know, and I'd be happy to have you on board helping people out. Yeah, rev it up. Yeah. So you got to drive to, you got to drive down here and pick something up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, drive it a little bit. Drive it a little bit harder than you would before. And really, because this hardens under friction. There's enough friction at idle to do a difference. But when you can really push it hard, the more friction, the harder, you know, the quicker it works. So let me know what you think when you get back. What's that?
It's almost like you can hear the outside noise, but there it sounded really loud, like different. That's why I went back.
Yep. What's it sound like now?
That sounded good earlier. I don't know if I'm hearing that or what I'm listening.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
Then on these, I don't know what you're supposed to do. You can hear the tick.
the injector pulse, that spray. Opens and closes to let fuel out, so you'll hear a tick over those. But there's no, no tick. Like, so it was loud here and right there.
When I first did it earlier, it was louder up here than over there. But now it seems about the same everywhere.
Yeah, it's all smoothed out.
Because when I'm shooting, it's been good, but I might have heard it up. You can definitely hear the outside noise.
Yeah, man. All right, well, get back with me. Yeah, it is weird. It's cool.
Am I supposed to hold it? See, when you hold it, you can really hear down there.
Yeah.
You can hear it.
Yeah. Well, you have pistons in there, so that's good.
That's really quiet now.
It's really quiet now?
That's definitely different than all the rest of them.
Yeah, and that in the video, in the previous video, that was pretty loud.
That I can hear, that's definitely quiet.
Yeah, that's good.
That's weird.
So before, what were you saying? You're about your shifters shaking?
Like the knob here?
Yeah.
See, it's barely moving. Maybe that much. Before it was you could see it shaking.
Yeah.
Because the motor's running so rough. And it don't even have that hesitation no more neither.
No hesitation.
I don't know if it's from uncovering that hole or the Tribo-MAX, but something happened.
Yeah, Tribo-MAX.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we
Real. That's an eye different. That's an eye noticeable difference.
That's awesome,
right
man.
For sure.
Sweet. Well,
I just want to tell you that for sure.
I appreciate it, man. Yeah. Happy to help you out and see differences, and results so fast. So, yeah, you'll see water start to come out of there too.
Yeah, I've been getting a lot of water this winter, but I don't even have that little doo.
Yeah, it cleaned up the valves. Is what happened. Yep.
Or that hole or something. Something happened.
Yeah. We did some pretty cool things to this, man. Straightened it up in just a couple minutes. So,
I definitely know what it does in the morning, because that's when it really runs up. Because it runs 1,500 RPM.
Okay.
Warm up for like 5 minutes.
And how many miles to the tank do you usually get?
About 230.
Okay, so yeah.
Is what I did last time.
All right, man.
So, I got 3/4 of the tank. So I hit the button right now and we'll see what we get.
Sounds good. All right, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good evening.
You too.